Hello everyone and welcome. Today we embark on a journey to cultivate calm and clarity within our homes. In our pursuit of a joyful and fulfilling life, it's essential to create a nurturing and harmonious environment. However, clutter can often stand between us and the serene haven we desire. The accumulation of belongings we no longer use or cherish can lead to feelings of overwhelm and stagnation. But fear not, for there is a simple yet transformative principle that can guide us toward a more organized and joyful existence. The one-year rule. If an item hasn't sparked joy or served a purpose in the past year, it's time to bid it a fond farewell. And imagine stepping into a room where every item has a designated place, where surfaces are clear and a sense of order prevails. Doesn't it evoke a feeling of peace and tranquility? A clutter-free environment transcends mere aesthetics. It has a profound impact on our mental well-being. When we eliminate visual distractions, we create space for our minds to breathe and focus. Just as decluttering our physical space can bring a sense of calm, so too can it enhance our mental clarity. By letting go of the unnecessary, we create space for inspiration, creativity, and a renewed sense of purpose. A tidy environment can be a sanctuary for the mind, fostering a sense of peace and allowing us to navigate our thoughts and emotions with greater ease. Have you ever found yourself frantically searching for your keys, your phone, or an important document amidst a sea of clutter? The disarray can be incredibly frustrating and time-consuming. An organized space is akin to a well-oiled machine where everything flows smoothly and efficiently. When we know where each item belongs, we eliminate wasted time and energy, freeing ourselves to focus on the tasks that truly matter. Imagine starting your day in a clutter-free kitchen where every utensil and ingredient is easily accessible. The simple act of preparing breakfast becomes a more enjoyable and streamlined experience. Our physical environment has a profound impact on our emotional well-being. Clutter can often evoke feelings of overwhelm, anxiety, and even guilt. Conversely, a tidy and organized space can uplift our spirits and create a sense of calm and control. When we let go of items that no longer serve us, we create space for new possibilities and experiences. The act of decluttering itself can be incredibly therapeutic. As we sift through our belongings, we have the opportunity to reflect on our attachments and make conscious decisions about what truly sparks joy in our lives. This process of mindful release can be incredibly liberating, leading to a greater sense of self-awareness and a lighter emotional load. Our bedrooms should be our sanctuaries, places where we can unwind, recharge, and prepare for a restful night's sleep. However, clutter in the bedroom can disrupt our sleep patterns and make it difficult to fully relax. Imagine sinking into a bed made with freshly laundered linens surrounded by a sense of calm and order. The absence of clutter creates a more serene and inviting atmosphere, conducive to a peaceful slumber. When we create a clutter-free bedroom, we send a powerful message to our minds and bodies that it's time to unwind and let go of the stresses of the day. Now, I understand that parting with certain possessions can be challenging, especially when they hold sentimental value. We cherish the memories associated with these items, and the thought of letting them go can evoke a sense of loss. Remember, our goal is not to erase memories, but to create a space where joy flourishes. Instead of holding on to items out of obligation or guilt, let's find ways to honor the memories they represent in more meaningful ways. Consider taking photographs of sentimental items before donating them. This way, you can preserve the memory without holding on to the physical object. As we conclude our journey toward a more organized and fulfilling life, remember that the one-year rule is not about deprivation, but about conscious living. It's about surrounding ourselves with items that spark joy, support our aspirations, and reflect who we truly are. By releasing items that no longer serve us, we create space for what truly matters, our well-being, our passions, and the people we love. Start small, stay consistent, and embrace the freedom that comes with a decluttered home and a more intentional life.